Come test drive this 2011 Volvo S60. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Volvo prioritized handling and performance with features such as front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.